Well, as you can see, now I've got the edges all cleaned up. This is a special marine filler. It's not just regular Carbondo. And these corners are sanded in about 3 inches, almost 4 inches. So we're ready to go around the entire perimeter here with our 3 layers of fiberglass. And let me tell you, I had a heck of a time sanding underneath there. I had to lie on my back to do it, and I went through about 15 of the sanding discs, but I got it all ready. So I'm just gonna clean it up, wipe it down with acetone, and then we'll get to fiberglassing here. Sorry I didn't get to videotape it, but I did lay down the first layer of fiberglass. I'll show you here. I think you can see this layer only went from about here to about here. I'll sand off that rough edge there, but the idea is that each successive layer is going to be a little bit wider than the last one. That'll give maximum bond as it goes around the corner there. So that's the first one down. Just gotta wait till it dries and sets up. And then we'll be applying at least 2 more layers. I think maybe a total of 4, just to make sure it's good and strong. And then after it's done, we're gonna sand it all down. It'll be covered with gel coat and it'll be good as new.